I could take it out of town or something, you know what I'm
Open it up. I thought you'd be taking your Jordan backpack out of town.
What is it?
Oh, wow. Here got a checklist right here.
What is it?
Is that a backpack? What is that?
What is it?
So this everything that should be in here, and you gotta check it out.
And that case right there, you can use that when you travel. You know, like when you like do other people here at their house.
Yeah.
They got everything you need in that there.
Oh, so this a backpack.
You can put your purse in here. You can put everything.
Oh wow! So you didn't even have to buy me no backpack.
You put everything in here.
Oh, that's what
Like a
carrying.
suitcase. When you go to like 2 houses. It's a store for everything in here.
That's
so, you know what I'm saying? You
nice.
ain't got to, like, you know what I'm saying?
Why they got no extension on it?
Wow.
I think it do. Right here.
Oh.
Shit, it's like a little suitcase.
It is a little suitcase.
Wow.
For real.
We can use it.
Yeah, we're about to get ready to go.
Where?
To, we went to some office.
So they brand is Pivot Point now instead of My Lady.
That's what they did.
They switched the brands.
Or
What's
they
this?
switched
A
companies.
curling iron, a Marcel iron.
It's a mannequin right there.
Yeah, it's called Pivot Point. That's a mannequin. Can you take it out where I can see it?
It might be a man. It's like a man.
It should be at least 4 mannequins in here, or 5. So a man mannequin with a little shag.
Got a beard.
Got his beard. Okay. Flat iron. Alright. It's a 1-inch ceramic tourmaline flat iron. There's more stuff inside of the backpack. Let's see. What's this? I need to take everything out the packaging, don't I?
Mixing bowls. Yeah.
Mixing bowl, applicator bottle, a timer. Cool.
Yeah.
Mixing bowl.
Color. That's like
Another applicator bottle.
your shears probably in here. They get them cheap shears. I had to buy my own shears though. I mean, they'll work for now, but when you have to have a client, they ain't gonna last anything.
What's this, like a cape? What's that? Oh, a little manicure set. Okay.
Do how you're doing for you.
Okay.
Yep. It's small.
A little smock. Cool.
It's for the client right here.
That's for the client.
It's a cape.
It's a cape. Can you unfold it?
It's plain.
Okay.
This one is a wet dry cape. I'm leaving the Ziploc bag because.
Okay. All the brushes and combs. What's that?
Blades.
It's upside down. Okay.
I'll show you how to load those up.
That's like a diamond brush. Man, what is this? This is like something that's gonna rip your hair out. What is this? You mean you don't know what something is?
I never seen that before. Yeah,
alright, some combs.
Combs.
Some more combs.
These are the carbon fiber combs. These are good
Carbon
combs.
fiber?
Yeah, those expensive. They're like $8, $9 in the beauty store.
Really? What this do?
It just, you know, take up the naps.
Oh.
That's for putting color in.
Yeah, or relaxers.
And this is the razor. I'm gonna show you put the razor in.
Oh, a razor.
That's for the razor blades. Money back that you pay for that whole box.
Really?
Yep. These are shears.
Let's see.
Those are thinning shears, and those are regular shears.
Okay. Let me see. More comb. Okay. I just want to have it on camera.
Not special. You will need a lot of combs. Clips.
Let me see. It's a glare because it's still in the plastic.
You're going to need those.
But yeah, these.
Do your teacher got to sign off on all your work? This your little thing that you have, you know the women. So you put your shears in here, your combs, you know what I'm saying?
What's that?
So like,
oh, shears and combs.
So like when you do like got a client, you know what I'm saying? Like this is not for the shop. I mean, some people may use for a shop, but if you like doing house calls,
okay,
you know what I'm saying? You got this right here and just it saves time instead of going to your little thing, getting this, it saves time.
Clips. Yeah, they got a whole new brand. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look, clipper set.
Cheap clippers.
Of course. And charge all the money for the kid. That's how they make their profit. How you think?
They gave us the masters though.
Oh, for real?
Masters, yeah. The masters like $600 clippers.
All right, so that's empty.
Your baby got you. That's empty too. Matter of fact, let me put this back in here.
Thank you. All right, let's see what else is in the big box.
Oh, that's his name, Ian.
Ian?
Ian.
Vanessa and Ian?
Yeah. What's the mannequin? Her name Madonna.
Madonna. I wonder, do they got any chocolate mannequins? I was just saying that. I wonder if they had any chocolate mannequins. Okay, okay. This is Madonna.
Yeah, y'all get way more
Kiki.
than we do.
We're gonna call her Kiki. Nah. Let me see the back of her. We're gonna have to wash her out good. We can work with that.
I gotta recurl it.
We can work with that. Kiki going back in the box. Or Madonna.
Amber.
Oh, her name Amber? Oh. We was wrong all along.
Madonna series.
Oh, okay. Okay, got a brush set. Look like 2 brushes and then some of those spiky brushes.
Yeah, you want
to
leave it in there?
Yeah, just slide it out where I can see how it look. Ew.
That's that good stuff.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
This look like it's a little tangly right now.
Yeah, that's for white people.
So this for like blowouts and stuff.
Yeah, that's not expensive in the store.
Okay. Okay, got a blow dryer. You'll open it right quick. 1875 watt.
A cheap one.
Yeah, of course. I guess the heat, low, medium, high, and then on and low and high. And then a cool shot button. Another mannequin. This the 3rd one. What's her name? Erica?
You would think Erica be on the black girl.
Okay, Erica. Erica got that bounce. That bounce back. She got makeup on. Erica ready, honey. This a light skinned girl. Hey, Erica. She said, hey. Yeah, her hair pretty. Mannequin.
There's 3 more mannequins in here.
Is it really?
Yeah, let me go ahead and do this one first, and then we'll do that.
So this the little piece
that one's a big one, so I don't know what that is.
What's that?
This is
Oh, that's what you hook on to like the end of a counter or table.
Yeah.
We was using those earlier, the little extension holder
Yeah, you
thing.
gonna need these.
Yeah.
That's all it is. I don't wanna.
Yeah, don't take it out. It just go on the mannequin goes on here and you can hook it on the end of a table or something. How many in there? 2?
The one.
1? I thought something else was in there.
It's the holder, like to make it go higher. You only get 1.
Alright, here go the next one. What's this one name? Vanessa. Oh, Vanessa got a lot of hair. She got a lot of hair. A lot. This would be good for like braids and...
No, I think they teach you how to do blunt cuts and stuff like this on these long hairs.
On the long hair ones?
They teach you how to cut. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, make them even.
Because this would be awesome for like learning how to like...
But they teach you how to do cuts on these.
Yeah.
So they make it long so that you can, like, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, another mannequin. What's this, the fourth one? 1, 2, 3. This the fourth or the fifth one?
Yeah, way more.
I think this the fifth mannequin.
This Erica too. We got 2 Ericas.
Is it? Her hair look longer though. This Erica. Put the hair back. Yeah. Oh yeah. It is another one like that. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty. Alright, this the last mannequin. It's another Erica. Just like the other ones.
That's what she wants you.
So that's it on the unboxing, the cosmetology kit. Alright, so that's it. That's everything that came in the kit.